All right, so I picked up these self-drilling drywall anchors. Some are drilling, some are what are called expansion screws. These are the expansion screws and these are the self-drilling. I'm gonna demonstrate some, just old wall in my garage. And if we open this up, I'll show you what we got in here. 310 pieces. We have the ones you pound in, and you have the screws for the self-screwing ones. It does come with a nice drill bit for your screws, and of course the self-screwing one. And it also comes with a little screwdriver if you want to really deal with that. So let me go ahead and get some of these out of here and I'll show you how they work. All right, so I have one of these guys here and they're basically an expanding. So what you want to do is pound these in and then you screw into the center. So you just pound and they just pound right into your wall. And then the screw goes into the center. And then whenever you screw it in, it expands and everything's happy. And I'll show you that here in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the provided drill bits, provided Phillips heads. And as you can see, holds very well. So very cool. So maybe I can actually hang some of my tools. Maybe I'll do that instead of just putting holes in the wall. Once you put them into the wall, they're basically used and you can't reuse them. So just keep that in mind. The other one is this guy, and it basically uses the Phillips head to screw directly into the wall. So let's go ahead and mount this up. Let's go ahead and mount this up here so that I can hang my shovel right here. So right about here is where I want it. So I'm just going to make a quick mark. Remember where that's at. I'm going to use I do believe that's the one I wanted. If I'm not mistaken, it is. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Phillips head bit that they gave me. Put it into the wall. And I'm going to try to do this so you can see it. I can't, not without holding it. So it's basically self-drilling. You just got to guide it a little bit. You don't want to go too over tightened because then you break down the wall. All right, so that'll fit into the end of that. I'll go ahead and throw a screw in there. And there we go. I hung my shovel. Been wanting to do that for a while. I don't have anything else really to hang right now, but you get the idea. These guys here, you just basically pound in, throw a screw in them. These guys up here, let's go ahead, screw them in, throw a screw in them. You're good to go. They hold a crap ton of weight. Yes, I know that was a technical term, right? Let's see if we can find out how much weight. It does not say on the outside, but there are different types of expansion screws and whatnot, different sizes. So definitely a ton of them. I don't think that if you're using this in a home environment, you're not going to run out anytime soon. So check them out.